Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Sa aking mga ka-chicks, welcome to Azerbaijan! Yes, we're here right now in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan was formerly a part of the Soviet Union and was known as the Azerbaijan Soviet Socialist Republic. Prior to its incorporation into the Soviet Union, Azerbaijan was a part of the Transcaucasian Democratic Federative Republic, which existed briefly in 1918 before being dissolved. Azerbaijan has approximately 5,000 years of statehood history. The first state formations or ethnopolitical associations on the territory of Azerbaijan were created since the end of the beginning of the 3rd millennium BC in the Armenia Basin. After more than 80 years of being part of the Russian Empire in the Caucasus, the Azerbaijan Democratic Republic was established in 1918. The name Azerbaijan, adopted by the ruling Musavat Party for political reasons, had been used to identify the adjacent region of northwestern Iran. After I travel in Azerbaijan, sobrang dami ng taong nagtatanong sa akin, maganda ba sa Azerbaijan? Mayaman ba sila? Anong klase ng history meron sila? So, is Azerbaijan a rich or poor country? Well, Azerbaijan, the country is considered an upper middle income nation, possessing a high level of economic development and literacy. Sa nakita ko sa Baku City, especially kapag nandun kayo sa Nizami Street, makikita nyo yung luxury ng mga tao. As in, ang linis ng lugar nila, ang gaganda, ang gagwapo ng mga tao, yung mga pagkain nila, though it's a bit expensive, pero kaya naman. Tapos yung mga yung ano nila, yung mga buildings nila are all new. Sobrang ganda, wala kang maipipintas. As in, sobrang 10/10 yung naging rate ko sa city ng Baku, Azerbaijan. Is Baku in Asia or Europe? The capital of Azerbaijan is the ancient city of Baku, which has the largest and best harbor on the Caspian Sea. Azerbaijan is located in both Europe and Asia. Kasi talagang yung ano nila, yung style, yung looks, yung pinaka inong country is Europe. Europe style na talaga siya. Mapi-feel mo na talaga yung I'm in Europe. The politics of Azerbaijan take place in an authoritarian system where elections are not free and fair. Political opponents are repressed, civil rights are limited, human rights abuses are widespread, corruption is rampant, and power is concentrated in the hands of President Ilham Aliyev and his extended family. And I think this is very normal naman sa lahat ng bansa. I mean, merong ibang bansa na talagang kinukonsiderate nila yung mga constituent nila, yung people nila sa loob ng bansa nila. But I think this is very normal na may mga gantong situation when it comes to politics system. Azerbaijan is a Muslim country, but they are Sunni or Shia. Islam is the main religion of Azerbaijan. 99.2% of the country's population are Muslims. About 85% of Azerbaijani Muslims profess Shia Islam, while 15% are Sunni Muslims. Bakit nga ba mayaman ang Baku or ang Azerbaijan? Oil industry. Azerbaijan is a major producer of oil and gas, and Baku has historically been a hub for the oil industry. This has contributed to the city's wealth, with the profits from the oil industry funding many of the city's development projects over the years. Kaya talagang makikita nyo sa kanila na talagang yung mga buildings, mga ano nila is mga bago. Pero sabi nung tour guide namin, especially sa Nizami, lahat ng mga buildings doon are old and is 100 years old already. Meron lang sila mga ni-reconstruct, pero yung kabuuan ng building, especially sa Nizami, are old building, which is yun yung nakaka-amaze sa kanila kasi hinohold nila yung history nung mga infrastructure nila sa loob ng kanilang bansa. But then, marami ka na ring mga building na makikita na bago. So, makikita nyo yan dyan sa, sa mga video ko, na halos lahat dyan is mga bagong building na din. So, that's all for today. Bye!